Jai Guruji. Anantam Shukrana Guruji for this beautiful, blissful divine satsang, and Shukrana Guruji हमें शिव पुराण पढ़ने की और सुनने की सेवा देने के लिए. Let's begin with the synopsis of last week. Last week we read chapter 7 of Uma Samhita of the volume 3 of the Shiv Puran. In this, Sanat Kumara gave a detailed description of the pathway to hell and the emissaries of Yama. That's when you commit sins, what happens to the souls after that. It was a very detailed and gory chapter. I'm just going to give you some excerpts from this. So Sanat Kumara told that there are 4 types of sins due to which the living beings, when they die, they have to go to Yamlok, which is like 86,000 yojanas away from earth. Now, the path is different for an auspicious deeds that performing soul, and for different for a sinner. So if a soul has performed good deeds, then they go through a gentle entrance at the east. The path is small, and they when they enter Yamlok, they are welcomed by Yama. To them, Yam appears gentle, and he honors them and tells them to go in an aerial chariot to heaven, and there they can enjoy all their cherished desires. And once the merit of their good karmas is exhausted, that is when they are brought back to Yamlok, and they have to also bear the fruits of whatever little sins that they have committed. And but for the bad souls, for the souls that have performed inauspicious deeds, it is a treacherous path, and they go to Yamlok from the south entrance, and this path is extremely long, and it is full of torture, and these souls are forcefully taken by the emissaries of Yama that inflict all kinds of tortures on the soul. The souls basically become ghosts, and they don't have any clothes. Their bodies are parched, they don't have water, their palates are parched, they are hungry, they do not have any basic food, water, and they have burning sensation in their bodies all over. They cry with pain, they are alone, they do not have any friends and relatives, and Yama's emissaries beat them, torture them, and they have to go through all kinds of terrible miseries before they reach Yamlok. Now, when they reach Yamlok, it's a very different picture for them, because for them, the Yama appears extremely terrifying and terrible, and he has Mrityu right next to him, and he's also attended by terrible spirits. So all this is a very difficult sight for the souls, and they cry, and then there's a lot of fear. And at that point, Chitragupta also appears very terrible to them, and they are rebuked by Yama. And of course, Chitragupta tells them how to get rid of their sins, and gives them a statement of virtue. So today we are going to continue with this theme. The next chapter, chapter 8, is description of hell. Now we've just read about the pathway, but more comes with what is there in hell. Today, Urvashi Auntie will be reading this chapter in English, and Ashwini Uncle will be reading the chapter in Hindi. If you're also interested in reading, please reach out to Seema Auntie, Rashmi Auntie, or me, and we can fix up a reading for you. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji.
Jai Guruji, Anantam Shukrana for this divine seva. Chapter 8, Description of the Hell. Chitragupta said, O ye sinners of evil actions, stealers of other man's riches, outragers of the modesty of others' wives, arrogant by your comeliness and might, why was sin committed by you all? For your own ruination. The actions committed by you shall be endured, and the fruits thereof shall be reaped. Why do you lament now? You are being tortured by your own actions. Reap the fruits thereof. This is not the fault of anyone else. Sanat Kumara said, Similarly, the infuriated great Lord Chitragupta, the knower of virtuousness, at the behest and instruction of Yamaraja, imparts the following advice to the kings who, proud of their might, had committed many misdeeds and had been brought near him ultimately. Chitragupta said, O ye wicked kings, who had tyrannised over and repressed your subjects, why were misdeeds committed for your rule of a very short duration? O kings, let the fruits be reaped now of the evil actions in having punished your subjects unjustifiably due to your fascination for kingly pleasures. You have misused your might. Where is that kingdom? Where is your mistress? Where are those for whom sin and evil have been perpetrated? You have left them all and stand here alone. I see that might quelled, the might that suppressed the subjects. How will you fare when you too are subjected to the same treatment by the emissaries of Yama? Sanat Kumara said, the kings who are treated with these and other similar taunts by Yama bewail their own lot and stand silent. After having proclaimed their evil actions, Yama Dharmaraja speaks to the messengers thus for wiping off the sins of those kings. Yamaraja said, O Chanda, O Mahachanda, seize these kings forcibly and purify them gradually in the fires of hell. Sanat Kumara said, then they immediately catch hold of the kings by their feet, whirl them with great velocity, throw them up, and when they fall, they catch them again and dash them against a heated rock. They are thus felled like great trees, smitten with a thunderbolt. Then the man sheds blood through his ears. He is wholly shattered. He becomes unconscious and motionless. When the wind blows against him, he is resuscitated to life again. In order to purify him of his sins, they throw him into the ocean of hell. At the end of the seventh netherworld, Tala, there are 28 Naraka Kotis situated in terrible darkness. The first cell is called Ghora. Sughora is situated beneath it. Atigora and Mahagora come next, and Ghora Rupa is the fifth. The sixth is named Tala Tala, the seventh is Bhyanaka, the eighth is Kalaratri, and the ninth is Bhayotakata. The tenth beneath the previous is Chanda. Mahachanda is lower still. Chanda Ko Lahala is another. Prachanda, Chanda Naikika, Padma, Padmavati, Bhita, Bhima, Bhisanana Nika, and Vajra are terrible, very terrible. The next 8 cells are Trikona, Panchakona, Sudhiraga, Akhila Ratida, Sama, Bhima Bala, Atyuagra, and the 8th Dipta Praya. Thus the cells of Naraka have been mentioned to you by their names. Each of these is meant for the torture for a particular sin. Thus the 28 cells for 28 type of sins. For each of these cells there are 5 officers in charge. Now I shall mention the names of the hells of each of these cells. Understand them well. Raurava is the first, where the embodied beings cry. Maharaurava is the next. Due to the tortures here, even great men cry. There are cool and hot hells. The first 5 are the leading hells. The hells are named thus: Sughora, Sumatikisha, Sanjeevana, Mahatamas, Viloma, Vilopa, Kantaka, Tiravagra, Karala, Vikrala, Parakampana, Mahavakrata, Kala, Kala Sutra, Pragajana, Suchimukha, Suneti, Khadaga, Suprapidana, Kumbhipaka, Supaka, Krakakaka, Atidaruna, Angaras Bhivanam, Medaparahita, Asrak Prahita, Tikasna Tunda, Shakuni, Mahasamvartaka, Kratu, Tapta Jantu, Pankalepa, Pratima Mamsa, Trapu Bhava, Uchvasa, Suniruchvasa, Sudirga, Kuta Shalmali, Dhurista, Sumahavada, Pravaha, Supratapana, Megha, वर्षा, साल्मा, सिंहहाना, व्याघ्रहाना, गजनाना, सवानाना, शुक्रानाना, अंजनाना, महिषनाना, गुखानाना, कोकानाना, वर्कनाना, ग्रकाहाका, कुंभिकानाक्या, नख्रशक्या, सपक्या, सर्पक्या, कुर्मक्या, व्यासक्या, घर्कक्या, उलुखक्या, जलाउखक्या, सर्दूला, क्रथा, करकाता, मंडूका, पुतिवकर्ता, रक्तासा, पुतिमृता, कनाधुर्मा, अग्नि, कर्मीकंदी बिवापुस, अग्निधरा, अपरतिष्ठा, रुधिराभा, सवाभोजना, ललाभक्षा, अंतराभक्षा, सर्वाभक्षा, सदुराना, कंटाका, सुविशला, विकाटा, काटापुटाना, अम्बारिसा, कटाहा, द ग्रीवियस रिवर वैतरानी, सुतापाना तलोहासना, एकपादा, परापुराना, अस्तिलवाना, अस्थिभंगा, सुपूर्णा, विलातसा, अस्युयंत्रा, कुटापसा, प्रमामदना, महाचूर्णा, असुचूर्णा, तप्ता लोहमाया, पर्वता, सुराधरा, यमाला पर्वता, मुत्राकुपा, विस्ताकुपा, अश्रुकुपा, सारकुपा, सिताला, मुसालो लुखाना, यंत्रा, सीला, सकतालंगाला, तलापतरा सिंगाना, मासकाता, मंडापा, समोहा, अस्थिभंगा, तप्ता, चाला, अयोगुड़ा, बयोगुडुगा, महाकेलशा, कासमाला, समाला, माला, हलाहला, विरूपा, स्वरूपा, यमानुगा, एकपादा, त्रिपादा, Tivra, Achivara, and Tamas. Sanat Kumara said, "Thus, for 28 cells, there are 5 officers in charge of each. Raurava and other hells are thus 100 and more. The great zones of hell are 40 hundreds. Thus, O Vyasa, I have described the hells to you. The enumeration arouses detachment from the sin. Now listen to the pangs of sinners." With this, I conclude chapter 8. Now Ashwini uncle will be reading in Hindi. Thank you. Jai Guru Ji.
जय गुरु जी। उमा संहिता अध्याय 8। नरकों की 28 कोटियों तथा प्रत्येक के 5-5 नायक के क्रम से 140 रोरवादी नरकों की नामावली। सनत कुमार जी कहते हैं, व्यास जी, तदनंतर यमदूत पापियों को अत्यंत तपे हुए पत्थर पर बड़े वेग से दे मारते हैं, मानो वज्र से बड़े बड़े वृक्षों को धाराशायी कर दिया गया हो। उस समय शरीर से जर्जर हुआ देहधारी जीव कान से खून बहने लगता है और सुदबुद खोकर निश्चेष्ट हो जाता है। तब वायु का स्पर्श कराकर वे यमदूत फिर उसे जीवित कर देते हैं और उसके पापों की शुद्धि के लिए उसे नरक समुद्र में डाल देते हैं। पृथ्वी के नीचे नरक की 7 कोटियां हैं, जो 7वें तल के अंत में घोर अंधकार के भीतर स्थित हैं। उन सब की 28 कोटियां हैं। पहली कोटि घोरा कही गई है, दूसरी सुघोरा है जो उसके नीचे स्थित है, तीसरी अति घोरा, चौथी महाघोरा, पांचवीं घोर रूपा, छठी तलातला, सातवीं भयानका, आठवीं कालरात्रि, नवीं भयोत्कटा, उसके नीचे 10वीं चंडा, उसके भी नीचे महाचंडा, फिर चंड कोलाहला तथा उससे भिन्न प्रचंडा है जो चंडों की नायिका कही गई है। उसके बाद प्रज्ञा, प्रज्ञावती, भीता और भीमा हैं जो भीषण नरकों की नायिका मानी गई हैं। 18वीं कराला, 19वीं विकराला और 20वीं नरक कोटि वज्रा कही गई है। तदनंतर त्रिकोणा, पंचकोना, सुदीर्घा, अखिला तिर्दा, समा, भीमभला, भीमा और 28वीं दीप्ति प्राया है। इस प्रकार मैंने तुमसे भयानक नरक कोटियों के नाम बताए हैं। इनकी संख्या 28 ही है। ये पापियों को यातना देने वाली हैं। उन कोटियों के क्रमशः 5-5 नायक जानने चाहिए। अब उन सब कोटियों के नाम बताए जाते हैं, सुनो। उनमें प्रथम रौरव नरक है, जहाँ पहुंचकर देहधारी जीव रोने लगते हैं। महारौरवकी पीड़ा से जो महान पुरुष भी रो देते हैं। इसके बाद शीत और उष्ण नामक नरक हैं। फिर सुघोर है। रौरव से सुघोर तक आदि के 5 नरक नायक माने गए हैं। इसके बाद सुमहातिक्षीण, संजीवन, महात्म, विलोम, विलोप, कनडक, तीव्रवेग, कराल, विकराल, प्रकंपन, महावक्र, काल, कालसूत्र, प्रगर्जन, सूचिसुख, सूचिमुख, सुनेति, खादक, सुप्रपीड़न, कुंभीपाक, सुपाक, क्रकच, अति दारुण, अंगार राशि भवन, मेरु, असृक प्रहित, तीक्ष्णतुंड, शकुनी, महासंवर्तक, क्रतु, तपजंतु, पंकलेप, प्रतिमास, त्रिपुधव, उच्छ्वास, सुनीरु, छवास, सुदीर्घ, कुट, शालीमली, दुरिष्ट, सुमावाद, प्रवाद, सुप्रतापन, मेघ, वृष, शाल्म, सिंहमुख, व्याघ्रमुख, गजमुख, कुकुरमुख, सुकुरमुख, अजमुख, महिषमुख, घूकमुख, कोकमुख, वृकमुख, ग्राह, कुंभिनस, नक्र, सर्प, कूर्म, काक, गृध, उलूक, हलूक, शार्दुल, कृत, कर्कट, मंडूक, पुतिमुख, रताक्ष, पुतिमृतिक, कंधधुर्म, अग्नि, कृमि, गंधीवपु, अग्निद्र, आप्रतिष्ठ, रुधिराप, शवभोजन, लालाभक्ष, अनभक्ष, सरभक्ष, सुदारुण, कंटक, सुविशाल, विकट, कठपूतन, अम्बरीश, कटाह, कष्टदायिनी, वैतरणी नदी, सुतत, लोहशयन, एकपाद, प्रपूरन, घोर, असीतालवन, अस्थिभंग, सुपूर्ण, विलातस, असुयंत्र, कूटपाश, प्रमर्दन, महाचूर्ण, असुचूर्ण, तप्त लोहमय पर्वत, क्षुरधारा, यमल पर्वत, मूत्रकूप, विष्ठाकूप, अश्रुकूप, शीतल, क्षारकूप, मुसलो, लूखल, यंत्र, शिला, शकट, लांगल, तालपत्रवन, असीपत्रवन, महाशकट मंडप, सम्मोह, अस्थिभंग, तप्त, चंचल, अयुगुड़, लोह की गोली, बहुदुख, महाकलेश, कश्मल, शमल, मलात, हालाहल, विरूप, स्वरूप, यमानुग, एकपाद, त्रिपाद, तीव्र, अचीवर और तम। इस प्रकार ये 28 नरक और क्रमशः उनके 5-5 नायक कहे गए हैं। 28 कोटियों के क्रमशः रौरव आदि 5-5 ही नायक बताए जाते हैं। उपर्युक्त 28 कोटियों को छोड़कर लगभग 100 नरक माने जाते हैं और महानरक कमंडल 140 नरकों को बताया गया है। अध्याय 8 समाप्त। अब हम गुरुजी से आज्ञा लेंगे। धन्यवाद। जय गुरुजी।